Here's how to join the official Blox Fruits Discord server. So first you need to open the Discord app, whether on mobile or PC, and then click on the plus button here to add a server, and then click on join a server, and then you can simply type Blox Fruits in this box here, and then you can click on join, and it will tell you that the server is currently full. Now, in case you find the server is currently full, what you can do is try again later, or because the servers are full, sometimes they can clear or remove accounts that are no longer active for a certain period of time. And some people might also leave the server, which can free up some spots. So you can either come back and try to join again, or you can join community run servers for Blox Fruits. For example, you can join Blox Fruits community server, which is BFCS. Then you can click on join, and it will join the Blox Fruits community server. There is also other servers like Blox Fruits trading server. I'm going to put more links in the video description. You can also join Blox Fruit trading server, which is BloxZ, and then click on join, and it will join the server. You can also join Blox Fruit trading or Blox Fruit helping server, which is BFHS, and then you can click on join. Now those servers are popular community servers that have members from 30,000 plus up to 1.2 million members. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.